Triumph Electric Motorcycle Project TE-1. Welcome to the MOTORCYCLES.NEWS. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel to get the most important motorcycle news every day. Back in May 2019, Triumph announced plans to develop an electric motorcycle that will rely on advanced and innovative technologies. With the completion of the second phase, they present the layout, electric powertrain and battery of Project TE-1. In addition to Triumph, Project TE-1 involves Williams Advanced Engineering, Integral Powertrain Ltd and the University of Warwick's WMG Institute. The joint project is funded by the Office for Zero Emission Vehicles. Looking at the development in terms of performance, efficiency and range, the project appears to be fully meeting the objectives of the partnership. A total of 2 years is planned for the development of the TE-1. The result so far is an electric motor that generates 130 kilowatts or just under 180 horsepower, weighs only 10 kilograms and is thus much lighter than previous technologies. It has significantly less mass than a conventional combustion engine. Of course, the battery also adds quite a bit of weight. However, no data on this has been revealed yet. The layout of the battery module was adapted to the newly developed chassis of the TE-1 and also balanced for it to offer suitable driving characteristics and optimal handling. The vehicle control unit is integrated into the battery pack to save weight and additional housing. Special software is responsible for managing the battery to ensure that the optimum power can always be delivered in relation to the battery power, depending on the power level. Currently, most electric motorcycles deliver only limited power at low battery charge. This is not to be the case with the battery developed here. It is also said to offer a groundbreaking high range. The measured test bench data for the battery is said to surpass anything else on the market in terms of performance and energy density. There is no further info on this, however. The motor and inverter have been integrated into a single compact component, which reduces the mass and volume of the powertrain by eliminating additional boxes, fasteners, coolant hoses and heavy high voltage connections. In addition, this concept is scalable, allowing one to increase the number of power stages, for larger diameter and higher torque motors. Advanced silicon carbide switch technology has been implemented in the inverter, which is expected to reduce losses there and lead to higher powertrain efficiency, power output and range. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, I would be happy about a thumbs up. You can find more and constantly updated news on the homepage motorcycles.news/en, or in the free motorcycles.news app for Android and iOS.